What's going on, people? Welcome back to Funnelheads.
Hello, and welcome to Funnelheads. My name is Andrew, and today we are going to be discussing all of the details in regards to laundry service on your next Carnival cruise. And I know what you're thinking, laundry is literally the last thing I want to know about or think about during my vacation, during my cruise, but it is good to know the details so that way you can either choose to use it, not to use it, as well as what the price incurs. There's a lot of confusion about laundry on cruise ships, so that's what I want to clear up, especially for the newer cruisers as well as people that have cruised before but just have not done laundry until they get home, and that is the worst feeling. There's nothing worse than coming back from a relaxing cruise and having a pile of laundry to do when you arrive back home. So let's try to avoid that and let's go over the details. Alright, so basically there are two different ways to do laundry on your next cruise. Some ships there are only one way. We'll get into that in a second. The first way is going to be self-service laundry, meaning you are physically going to be, bagging up your laundry, taking it to the laundromat on board and paying for it with the washer and dryer. Now the washer and dryer currently, I say currently because prices are always going up, it's $3.50 to use the washer for one load and $3.50 to use the dryer in one load. Now, typically on the ships, they do take your sail and sign card, but there are ships that you will actually have to get laundry coins where you can get them at guest service. I believe those ships are only the Carnival Paradise and the Carnival Elation, so if you're on other ships, you don't have to worry about that. Now, in saying that, there are 6 ships in total that do not have the laundromat on board. The first 3 are going to be the XL class ships, so your Carnival Mardi Gras, the Celebration, and the Jubilee that just came out. They do have ironing stations though, so if you do want to, quick iron on some clothes before dinner or whatnot, you can absolutely use those areas. Now the next 3 ships don't have either the laundromat or the ironing station, and that would be the ships that came over from Costa Cruises, which would be the Luminosa, the Carnival Venezia, and the Carnival Firenze, or soon to be, I should say. So they don't have either, so unfortunately you cannot do laundry on your own on those ships, so you would have to use the secondary laundry option, which we will get into in just a second. Now real quick, 2 items I wanted to discuss before we get into the second and more recommended way of doing laundry service on board, and that is if you are Platinum or Diamond currently, you have 75 days with Carnival, or 200 or more, you actually get complimentary laundry service. So for Platinum, you get 2 bags of laundry on them for 7 days or less, and if it's longer than that, you actually get 3 bags of complimentary laundry. Now with Diamond, and this is the perk that we use more often than any other perk, and I'm hoping that this is the perk that stays when they redo the loyalty program. Mr. John Heald, the brand ambassador for Carnival, has been saying that they're going to be removing some things in the loyalty program. They might add new levels as well, but this is one of them that I really don't want them to remove, because we do back-to-back cruises quite often, as well as just longer cruises in general, and having complimentary unlimited laundry is just the peak of awesomeness. So hopefully they don't remove that. But yeah, you get unlimited laundry if you're Diamond, and we absolutely love that perk. Now the second thing I wanted to mention, and this is going to roll right into the second way to do laundry, is you can do Valet Laundry service. So you're going to get a bunch of these in your rooms, as well as a laundry bag. It's like this little paper bag that you put all your laundry in. It always rips every time I try to stuff stuff in, but as long as it's like in the bag somewhat, it doesn't have to be closed, they'll go ahead and take it. But this is what makes it a little bit confusing. We actually had our really close friends cruise on the Carnival Sunshine here recently out of Charleston. We met up with them before their cruise just to get, a bite to eat, catch up, whatnot. And they were asking us about laundry, is it worth it to do it, how much it is, because this list actually makes everything a little bit confusing. I mean, if you actually sat down and read it, you probably figure it out, but there's a lot of, small detail words on here, and let's be honest, nobody's got time to read this boring sheet while you're on the cruise ship. So we're going to do it now, so that way you guys aren't confused. Obviously, we're not going to read the whole thing, but I want to go over the details of this, because everybody thinks once they look at this list, you see all of the different amounts for each item, like underwear, socks, all that, and then there's an amount next to it. So like, for example, a dress costs $8. Now people think that that's just to, wash and have it delivered, wash and fold and have it delivered back to you, but that is actually wash and press. Now, if you don't need your laundry to come out like immaculate, washed, dried, folded, steam pressed, all of that good stuff, if you're like us and you just literally want it, washed, dried, and then folded back and delivered to you, that is only going to cost you a whopping $15 per bag. Now, they do have specials where you can do 5 bags for $50 as well, so you get a little bit of a cutback there. Now, this is by far the best way to do laundry on board, because, for example, if you're just doing one load of laundry, not only do you have to take the time out of your vacation to, collect all of your dirty laundry, bring it to the laundromat, wash it, fold it, all that good stuff, you're going to pay at least $7 to do that. So I think, in my mind, that another $8 on top of that is, I would gladly pay that for them to just take the bag from the cabin, have it done the next day, bring it back all folded neat in, a couple bags and be done with it. But ultimately, it is up to you. If you want to save that little bit of money, absolutely go ahead and do your own laundry. You may want to bring some laundry detergent with you, because the cruise ship does charge, I believe it's $2 for a single-use laundry detergent as well. So if you're factoring that into the price, again, it's just worth it to have them take it, have it done, and you just enjoy your vacation. Now, one thing I did want to note, we're not going to go into all the prices, but if you do want, let's say, a specific piece of clothes, or maybe a suit, dress, whatever it is, washed, pressed, or just pressed, they do have individual pricing on that. I will go ahead and post it so that way you can see, the graph. But again, this is the best way to do laundry, and people get confused. They don't realize that it is only $15 to do one bag of laundry. So I think it's well worth it. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you think? Is that a price that you're willing to spend? Really, ultimately, it's only about $6 or $7 more for them to do it. So I would say, enjoy your cruise. But that is it for today's video. Now, if you do like cruise informational videos, consider subscribing, liking the video. We appreciate it. But hopefully we'll see you right back here in the next video, or on a cruise ship one day. Catch you later.